Welcome to the Stylark Studio. Today we'll be sewing the Northcote Knit Skirt, a simple but effective skirt for a beginner sewer. It has an elastic waist and ankle length, and it skims the body and just slightly flares at the hemline. So let's get all of your pattern pieces cut out and your instructions ready, and we'll get started sewing. Before we begin, it's a great idea to have a read through of our helpful hints. These cover everything from grain lines, pre-washing your fabric, seam allowances, recommended sewing needles, and some terminology used in the instructions. We'll start off by sewing the waistband. With right sides together, sew the two short ends of the waistband together. Press the seam open. With wrong sides together, fold the waistband in half lengthways and press. Cut the elastic to your preferred personal length or see the measurement chart. Overlap the cut ends and securely stitch together by 2 cm or 3/4 of an inch, creating a loop. Sandwich the elastic inside the folded waistband. Pin, then sew the cut edges of the folded waistband together with a basting stitch. Sew a vertical stitch to the waistband through the elastic at the centre back, centre front and the side seams to prevent the elastic from rolling. Now we'll move on to the body of the skirt. With right sides together, sew the side seams of the two skirts together. Neaten the seams with an overlocker or serger. Press the seams towards the back. With right sides together, pin the waistband to the skirt, aligning the waistband notches to the centre front, centre back and side seams. Once in place, stitch together. You may choose to use a zipper foot to sew close to the elastic. Knit in with an overlocker or serger. Press the seam downwards. Knit in the hemline with an overlocker or serger. Turn the hem to the inside at the notches. Press and stitch with a twin needle, cover stitch or plain machine top stitch. You may choose to sew a blind hem for a professional finish. Take care not to rope or twist the hem while sewing. Press the hem and then trim any loose threads and lightly press your new skirt. Congratulations! You've completed your Northcote Knit Skirt. If you found this pattern or sew along helpful, let us know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also tag a friend who would love to sew the Northcote Knit Skirt too.